Hi friends, welcome back. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to find a sum of first n natural numbers. Let's get started. I'm going to take a input from a user, so that is integer input. As I've already told you in my previous video, integer input. Why? Because input simply takes a string. So enter your number here. Sorry for the typo. I'm gonna save this file to my desktop as sum of n dot py. It is saved. Okay, I'm introducing you to a new special loop that is for what I'm gonna do here is I'm not gonna iterate to find 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the sum of n given number. For I in range is an inbuilt keyword that counts from 0 and excluding the number what we are providing here. So I'll get in detail. I'm printing that I on each iteration. Let's try this simple code. I'm in my desktop. I'll call Python interpreter to read my script, that is sum of en.py, and it is asking enter your number, so I will enter 5. So it is printing line by line, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but not 5. So to resolve that issue, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add +1 here. So same, yes, now I have from 0 to 5 we have natural numbers now till the range. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sum this up. So to do that, I'm going to take one more variable and assign that variable a value, that is 0, and here in each time the loop comes inside, and I'm going to get I value. I'm going to write this statement, that is sum is equals to sum plus I. Each time I gets in, add that to sum. The initial value of sum is 0. In the second iteration, the initial value of sum is 0 plus 1. Then it will be 1 plus 2, and it's going to be 3. So that's continuous. To simplify further, so that there is a beautiful short form to write this statement, particular statement, that is I'm going to sum plus is equals to 1 I. So this is the short form of writing sum is equals to sum plus I. You can use however you like. So I'm coming out of the for loop. I'm going to print the sum. Let's see how's that work. Yeah, I'm going back to my terminal, clearing the screen, calling Python interpreter to read my file again. Now I'm entering 3. So it will be very simple to count. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes, it's working fine. Now I'm going to give a number as 101, and it is 5151. Please cross check with your calculator. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, so whatever the improvement areas I wanted to make in my videos, and if you have any further questions, please ask a lot of questions so that I can answerable to each one of yours. I'm definitely, trust me, I'm going to respond to your questions. So that's all for this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.